हेलो नमस्कार सत श्री अकाल सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल गाइस आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ डिफरेंट लेके आया हूँ। एक अर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आप रोज़ का 25 से $100 कमा सकते हैं। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को बिल्कुल भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा और वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा। वीडियो को एंड तक देखने के बाद आपको पता लग जाएगा कि बिज़नेस प्लान क्या है। ओके गाइस ये है मेरा इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट, आप यहाँ पे मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
Were massive from this amazing platform named as Newbies on Fire. As you can see on screen, I have earned around $2,000 plus commission from this platform. So guys, to know about this, watch the video till end. Before we start, I wanted to tell you a short note. This business has no criteria. You can easily do this business if you are able to handle your Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms. And this is work from home based business. There is no need of laptop or a computer for this. If you have it, then it's good, or if you don't have it, then you can do this business from your smartphone directly and earn great profits. So guys, before we dive into the video, I want you to understand first the concepts, basic concepts. So first of all is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referral. In simpler ways, it's affiliate marketing something when you sell someone else's product on behalf of him and then you get some commission on that product or particular thing. Suppose you have a house, there is one buyer and you are going to sell it. So there is one broker in middle. The broker in middle in online business is called as affiliate for anything. Next to that is digital marketing. You have many times heard that digital marketing this, digital marketing is that and all those things. But basically digital marketing is simpler than what you think. It is a marketing in online way. That's it, nothing else. If you see ads on Facebook, if you see ads on Instagram, if you see ad anywhere, then it's related to digital marketing. You are seeing an ad in digital word, that means it's a digital marketing of that company or a particular thing. So guys, the next concept is physical and digital products. So first of all, let me tell you what is physical product. A physical product is something that you can hold physically, that you can feel. A digital products is something that is virtual, that is accessible only through internet, that you can only see, you cannot feel it. That is digital product. This is the main difference between physical and digital product. Next to that, suppose what will you choose in your journey of online business, what you're going to choose, but I'll strongly recommend you to go with digital products because there is a lot of profit in digital products. Why? Let me give you some good reasons. First of all, digital products take one-time manufacturing cost only. Suppose you are getting a shoe from Amazon, you are selling the same shoe to 100 people and you will get 100 times manufacturing cost. Why? Per shoe cost. Then if you make a course on Udemy and sell it to 100 people, you will be selling same course to the 100 people, so you're getting it. There is only one time manufacturing cost. Then there is no transportation, negligible maintenance cost, no delivery charge, one click access for customers and sold to anywhere from anyone all over the globe. And most important, digital products last forever. They never die or they never expire. So this is the most beneficial point of digital products. That's why all the people and world are getting towards digital products. So next thing is that active income and passive income. First of all, what is active income? Active income is something for that you have put efforts, you have put your work and you have done something to get that money. Next to that, passive income is something you have done earlier some hard work or efforts, on that you are getting returns till now. So that is the passive income. Without doing anything you are getting money. That is passive income. Now guys, let's get toward the main topic. So what is the first step? The first step is that you have to think what can be done seriously. I'm not talking about blogs, I'm not talking creating a website and all those things. I'm talking about what can be done seriously. So first you can go and create your own products, as we are dealing in digital products now. So we are looking towards only digital products. So keep it in mind, whole video is about only digital products from now. Next to that, what can be done? First, create your own products. If you like to create your own products, you can, but it will take a lot of time, it will take a lot of resources that you don't have, and expertise. The most and first thing is that expertise. You need expertise. So guys, you don't have it, so number one option is gone. Next, sell and get commission. Sell and get commission, you can do that. There are lots of affiliate programs, big giants, Amazon, Flipkart and all those. But the thing is that if you go to there, the market is whole saturated. There is blog for everything, there is website for everything. to getting into this market is really tough, and if you want to go it in, you have to give at least a year of yours to build that blog, website, or social media influencing and all those things. So this is the thing that will also get a time and efforts. So what is the thing that you can start instantly and get instantly payment? The thing is buy products and resell. So here is profit also high because you are not getting commission, you are getting resale price. So first thing is that buying products from someone else or third party and selling to it someone or your customer directly. So I think third option is best for the online business. If you are starting right now, third option is the best. So next is from where to get these products and resell them, how to resell them. So from where you are getting it, there will be lots of platform offering you such digital products, but I think for me the best one is Newbies on Fire. So I'll explain you what is Newbies on Fire. First of all, let us know about the company. The founder of the company is Christina Hooper. She is a nice and talented lady. Next to that, it was started at 9 September 2019 and the company location is United States. You can Google it out. It's a legit company. It's 100% legit. There is no like something hidden charges or all those. It's a 100% legal and it's operating its operation all over the world. So what is Newbies on Fire? Newbies on Fire is something created to teach people digital marketing in practical way, to teach people affiliate marketing in practical way. Suppose consider you are taking a class of digital marketing for giving 10k to 5k in the between, and you found that you are getting knowledge which is already present on YouTube. So what you will do with that knowledge? Let's say you are getting a good knowledge, you are getting all those things, you are getting all the processes, but what about hands-on experience where you will apply this all knowledge? So the thing is here, you will apply this knowledge in this platform. Here you will learn digital marketing and you do hands-on experiment with these products. You can resell them with use of digital marketing. So what is Newbies on Fire doing? It is creating a platform for you where you can learn and earn at the same time. So next, why we call Newbies on Fire a hybrid business model? So first of all, I must tell you that Newbies on Fire is registered as a multi-level marketing company or network marketing company. The thing is that it's a learning and earning platform, although it's registered in that domain because it gives passive income. I'll clear this doubt further in video, why it is registered in MLM. Next, first of all, we'll see what is hybrid business model. A business model in which you're using digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and network marketing. So it's a hybrid combination. So guys, now you are familiar with Newbies on Fire platform. So next step is choose products from it. So here are a range of products. There are 5 types of product. You can choose any one of them and you can later on upgrade it too. So first of all, there is starter training course that is of $30. The starter training course, if you get it to resell, so you will get $25 per sale. That is the resale value you will get for that, and $5 have to be given to company as a license fee for every sale. So here you are getting $25 on $30 for each sale. For next is basic training course that is of $110, and all these fees are one time only. You have to invest only one time, keep it in mind. Next to that is $110. If you get a $110 product, you will get $100 per sale reselling cost, okay, and $10 will be to go to the company per sale. So you are getting a huge profit over here. I have explained you why company is giving this much of profit, because these are digital products and they are giving you this much of profit because they are getting profit into it, because it's only one time manufacturing cost. Next to that is advanced training course. It is for $250. You will get $250 and $25 to get to the website or like admin fee. Next to that is elite training course. When you get a elite training course, you will get $500 and company will get $50. Next to that, in diamond course, you will get $1,000 and $97 will be provided to the company. So you can think, guys, you are getting $2,500, $250, $500 or $1,000 for each sale. So there is a huge profit in this and there is a huge passive income too. I'll explain you further. So now the question is that what these digital products contain. So I'm going to explain you what is it in, but I'll explain in deep for starter and basic pack only, because in India these are on peak. You can go for advanced, elite, diamond if you want to, you can. So at starter level, you have to first buy the starter level at $30. every business requires some sort of capital, so don't think like it's getting investment, all those things. If you're getting good profit, you are getting $25 per sale, that is, you are getting your investment back in just one sale. The thing is that if you're getting this much of profit, so this much capital you can put into this. So first of all, starter level package of $30. Okay, then what you get in that, you get SEO powered blogging platform, where you can study blogs, where you can post blogs, you can practice blogging. That's it. That is what use of SEO powered blogging platform. Plus you get branding mastery course. What is branding mastery course? It will be a video course based on how to build your own brand. Building a brand in this era is really important, because people are going only for brand. Suppose you have a Xiaomi phone and you have Apple phone, iPhone. What is the difference between that? The features are like similar, but the price range is really high of Apple, and for Xiaomi it's really low. Why? Because of branding. Apple is selling his product at that level. Next to that, if you have taken a Starbucks coffee, then it costs you many, like 500 rupees or more. And if you get a without branding coffee, that is a ordinary coffee, then what you will get is 30-40 rupees. So that is the difference of branding. Keep it in mind. So in this course you will learn company versus personal branding, invoke emotion, branding introduction, name creation, color psychology, company colors, color theme, custom logo creation, custom mascot creation. So these are the subtopics I have put over here. You will learn all these things, so you can create yourself a brand, or you can create a product into brand. And when you resell this all products like SEO powered blogging platform and branding course for $30 to someone, you will get $25 instant profit in your bank account. So guys, next is basic level. So at basic level you get it for $110. First of all, if you are getting it $110, you will get $100 profit per sale you make. If you make a sale per day of $100, you will get $100 per day. That is the power of this business. So what you get in basic level, you get $30 product free of cost. Okay, you can sell that level to anyone, and you get how to find buyers, a brief course for a business. Buyers are really important. If there are no buyers, the business will not sustain. To sustain business, you have to find buyers, and there is a brief logical and technical course through which you can find buyers for any business. It is not limited for online business, for physical, for any business it is applicable. So in that course, this is a video course, you will get introduction and overview, research your competition, basics of profiling, gathering more intel, shortcuts, a typical day, media mapping, buying habits. So you will learn all this thing regarding how to find your buyers for your business. So guys, from where should you start? So first thing is that if you're a student, go with the starter pack. I'll tell you that starter pack is good for you if you're starting right now. And if you are a professional, if you want to establish a good business, if you want sustainability, you are doing it in part-time or full-time, go with $110 pack, because it gives you freedom to sell $30 pack and $110 pack. But if you get only $30 pack, then you will able to sell only $30 pack. Suppose consider you are selling 4 $30 packs per day, that is 4 sales of $30, and if you are getting only 1 sales of basic pack, so the thing is that you will get same income with less efforts. So I'll suggest, if you're a professional, if you want a great business, then go with $110 pack. And if you're a YouTuber, if you're an influencer, you have great connections, then go with more than $110 pack. So guys, as I told you, there is a huge passive income in this thing. Okay, there is active income, there is passive income. You know already what is active income and what is passive income. So let me explain you how it works. First of all, this is you are going to sell it to A. Suppose if you are selling a basic pack to A, that is $110. What will be happening? $10 will go to the company and $100 will be directly come to you. And next to that, suppose A is selling to someone, that is A1, A2, A3. A will be selling in his life like this. A will be making these sales in life. He will making sales A1, A2, A3, A4, A6 up to the A infinite. Then what will happen? You will get A's A2 and A4 sell. You will get those two commission or reseller value, that is 100. Now what is happening over here? You are getting A's profit, first of all active income, that is $100. Next to that you are getting A2 and A4 commission of A, that is passive income, that is 100. So you are getting $300, that is $100 initially, then next 100 from A2 and next 100 from A4. You are getting $300 from one sell. Okay, you are getting a sale of $110, then you are getting $300 in return. So keep it in mind, $100 active income, $200 passive income. So if you are doing such sales, there will be A, there will be B, there will be C, there will be infinite sell. You will get second and fourth sell of each your referral. So keep it in mind, you're gonna get second and fourth sell of each of your referral. So the next thing is how you get instant payment in Newbies on Fire. So first of all, I'm saying that there will be instant payment. So I'll tell you how you will get instant payment. So first of all, when you click on any products, if you're a buyer, suppose you are selling to A and A is going from your link to Newbies on Fire, you will get your own personalized link on the portal. When you activate your account, you send it to A will go to the Newbies on Fire portal. He'll create his account. First of all, sign up, the sign free of cost. Next to that, he'll have to choose from the products, different products. Suppose he chooses the starting level pack, that is starter level of $30. He clicked on buy now. Next to that, what happens, there one window pop-ups where you have to pay admin fee. What is here written? Please pay site admin with $5 payment with below options. You can pay it with the debit card, that is the international debit card. Next to that is you can pay it through BTC also. If you're paying BTC, that is Bitcoin, just put the transaction hash over here and click on the close button. They will approve your request. Next to that, and then before going next, let me must tell you, if you are in India, then you will need an international debit card to do that transaction of $5. So if you don't bother, you can get easily from your bank. Its bank will give you your international debit card free of cost on one application. If you don't have it, then your reseller can give this amount $5 to the company on behalf of you. You can contact him. Next to that, when you pay the admin fee, there is one more fee has to be paid, that is seller fee. This is where you gonna get the income, the real income. This is where you are going to get. Suppose in case over here there is Toy Adams, here will be your photo, here will be your bio, okay, and here will be your payment options. There can be a manual payment option. You can just put the transaction hash over there and put the close button. Okay, if someone has paid you, how will someone will pay you? They can pay you directly from their bank account to your bank account through Phone Pay, Google Pay, or anything you use. So you will get direct paid, and when they put that transaction ID over here in box and they close, you will get a request that this A has created an account, please approve his request. You are going to approve his request only then when he has paid you $25 directly multiplied by today's rate, what it is in NRI through Phone Pay or Google Pay. Then only you are going to accept his request. So now I think you have cleared how you are going to get instant income. Suppose there is $110 pack, $10 will be paid to the company and the customer will directly pay $100 to you. If you're doing one sell today of $100, you will get $100 at that instant only into your bank account. When you get that, you just accept that person's request and the sell will be done. After this all, now you're thinking, I have bought the products, I'm going to resell it. So how I'm going to resell it, how I'm going to find buyers, how I'm going to grow my business, what will be my starting condition and all those things. So don't get messed up. We will teach you how to get into this business. You will get a personalized training. You will get 6-step personalized training. Before getting into any business, you need training. Training is must. If you don't have training, you will not get properly fit into that business. Suppose consider if soldiers are going for war, they need weapons and they need to get trained first, only then they can do that thing. Okay, so for the same, you need training to get into this business. So what will you get from us? Free of cost. Okay, this training is free of cost from our side. So don't get confused that you have to pay more for this. No, you don't have to pay more for this. You will get this training free with Newbies on Fire products. So along with Newbies on Fire digital products, you will get this 6-step personalized training to excel in digital marketing and sales, that is for free of cost. For step 1, you will get trained in digital marketing training and support on our Telegram group to solve any issue as a community. We have a Telegram group, we have 125 members over there. You will be added to over there so that you can get your doubts cleared by anyone, any mentor or someone else from your group. Next to that, in digital marketing, there will be webinars, there will be all video lectures to given to you how to do digital marketing. Next to that, social media post. If you are going to sell something on social media, the most thing matters is social media post, how you create the advertisement. I'm not talking about promotion, I'm talking about visuals, graphic. So we will give you premium posts like this you were saying on my screen. You will get such type of premium posts to post on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. Next to that, you will also learn how to create such posts step by step, so you can apply this knowledge to any else business too. Before getting into any business, you need some research. So here you get research training. You will get 3 paid ebooks worth of $100 plus. That is a Dynamic Digital Marketing 2020, My True Type, that is a personality development, and The Way of the Wolf, my favorite book, author of Jordan Belfort. That man, if you have remember, there is one movie on that, Wolf of the Wall Street, the best selling movie. Okay, it's on sales. So you will be getting this book for research, for learning. Next to that, how to create your social network. The people having more social network or having larger network are easily successful. Okay, they can get success easily, or they get more sales because the network is huge. So we will teach you how to create your own social network through social media and through your contacts too. Next to that, sales training. Everyone not is a good salesman, so we will make you good. Not only good, we will make you excellent salesman. How to sell things, get one-on-one training session for selling, know how to generate leads. Leads means someone who is coming to you and he is interested to buy from you. That is called leads. He has not bought yet, but he is going to buy. Okay, that is your lead. Next to that, sale funnel, landing pages. Then you will all get is this sales training. Next to that is ready to go market plan. Going to the market is not easy, so you need some tools, you need some specific pre-written messages and all those things, how to talk with people, how to get proven strategies for paid advertisement or for organic reach and all those things. For that ready to go market plan, we will teach you everything, how you will behave in market and how you will get sales by that attitude and that proven techniques and strategies. Now this is all you are going to get with Newbies on Fire digital products. So this will be the personalized training for you guys, so that you can excel in digital marketing and you can get more and more sell and you can keep on earning day by day. So next step is that how to sustain in market. Getting into market is easy. You will get all the trainings, you will get all the required resources. Newbies on Fire platform, it has own tools and all set. You will get that. Next to that, how will you sustain in the market? So first of all, there are huge competition, as you know, on internet. How will you sustain in this? So first of all, what will help? Mentorship. Mentor is someone who has gone through thousands of things and he have sorted out 10 things. Now he is going to tell you only that 10 things. He is not going to tell you all those 1,000 things that have wasted his time. So what are you getting over here? You are getting mentorship. You are getting that 10 things. So you will boost your sales, that will, and save your time. That is mentorship you are getting when you are going to market. So next to that, there will be webinars, regular webinars, where you will get to learn many things. There will be webinars for your leads too. So they will get into webinar and that get to know what is Newbies on Fire and how to sell it. So there will be these types of presentation webinars too, to convince your leads on behalf of you. Next to that, there will be tricks and tips. The thing is that in market, to sustain, you need some tricks and tips, so that will be given from our side. Now the fifth and the last step and the most important step to grow your business, you will be not depend on us. You will be an individual that is earning a lot. So how to grow your business now? So first of all, we will teach you how to mentor others, so you can pass on all this training and all those resources to others, so they can start their own online business. How to take webinars, we will teach you how to take webinars and help others. So this is the main thing, you can help others to earn like you. So now we are done with all 5 steps, and now you can create your own online business with huge profit. And if you have any type of question or any type of queries, doubts regarding this business, just contact me and ask me directly.
I have shared my contact details. You can contact me on these platforms. एंड मैंने इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया, आप मुझे वहाँ से भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो गाइस, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। मैं ऐसे यहाँ पे बिजनेस प्लान्स और अर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स लेके आते रहता हूँ और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस भी बनाते रहता हूँ। तो प्लीज़ गाइस, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।